In this question, we need to find when we will get 512 in the given GP, 2, 8, 32 and so on. Here, the first term of GP is 2. The R is nothing but A2 by A1. The value of A2 is 8. And the second first term is 2. 2 1 the 2 4 the R value is 4. Now, as we don't know when we will get the 512, so let me take it as an equal to 512. Now we know the nth term of GP is AR n minus 1 equal to 512. Now we know the values of A and R. So let me put the values here. 2 into the value of R is 4 to the power of n minus 1 equal to 512. Now 2 is shifted that side. So we'll get 4 to the power of n minus 1 equal to 512 divided by 2. So let me simplify. 2 1 the 2, 2 the 2 5 the 6. So here we have like 4 to the power of n minus 1 equal to 256. Now look at the LHS. In the LHS, the base is 4. Let me write 256 as base 4. So 256 can be taken as 4 to the power of 4. So 4 power of 4 power of n minus 1 equal to 256 same as 4 to the power of 4. Now look at this two bases. Here the base is 4. Here also base 4. Now I can equate the powers. I'll equate the powers. Here the power is n minus 1. Here it is 4. Now I want the value of n. So let me take minus 2, minus 1 that side. So n equal to 4 plus 1, n equal to 5. So n equal to 5 means the fifth term of GP. The fifth term of GP is 512. So we can say fifth term of GP is 512. Bacho, in this question, we need to find when we will get 128 in the given GP, 2, 2 root 2, 4 and so on. So, Bacho, make a note of this. If we have root x, if you want to remove the square root symbol, so let me take the power as 1 by 2. By eliminating this symbol, you can put the power 1 by 2. Suppose if you have root of a, so by eliminating square root, we can take it as a power of 1 by 2. Suppose if we have like something like a power of m, so if by eliminating square root, what I'll do, let me take in the denominator, let me take 2. So here we have the power as it is, and in the denominator, let me take 2. So suppose if you are like this, x power of n minus 1. So if you want to eliminate the square root, so let me take 2 in the denominator. So here in the denominator, let me to add 2, sir. Now, so let's go for our question. In this question, we need to find when we will get 128 in the given GP, 2, 2 root 2 and 4 and so on. Here our first term in the given GP is 2 and the common ratio R is nothing but A2 by A1. So here A2 is 2 root 2 and the A1 is 2. So we can cancel 2 and 2. So our R will be root 2. Now as we don't know when we will get like 128, let me take it the 128 as AN. Now we already know that the nth term of GP is AR to the power of n minus 1 equal to 128. Now we know A value and R value. Let me put in this formula. The value of A is here 2 into the value of R is root 2 to the power of the power as it is equal to 128. Now root 2 is shifted to RHS. So root 2 is shifted to RHS. So root 2 to the power of n minus 1 equal to 128 will get divided by 2 here. 2 1 the 264. So here we have like root 2 to the power of n minus 1 equal to 64. Now let me eliminate the square root. If you want to eliminate the square root, let me take 2 in the denominator. So 2 to the power of n minus 1 by 2 equal to 64. Now here the base is 2 in the LHS. My base is 2. So let me express 64 as base 2. So let me express. So let us go for LCM. 2 32 2 16, 2 8, 2 4s, 2 2s, 2 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we can write n minus 1 by 2 equal to, we can write 64 as 1 2 3 2 to the power of 6. Now look at these two LHS and RHS. So here we are in the LHS, the base is 2, in the RHS the base is 2. So as the bases are equal, so we can equate the powers. Here my power is n minus 1 by 2 equal to 6. Now let me shift the 2 to that side. So n minus 1 equal to 6 into 2 will get, now n minus 1 equal to 6 into 2 is 12. Now 1 is shifted to RHS. So n equal to 12 plus 1, n equal to 13. So that means the 13th term of GP is 128. So 13th term of GP is 128. In this question, it is given that third term of GP is 24 and the sixth term of GP is 192 and we need to find 10th term. So as per the question, third term equal to 24 and sixth term equal to 192. So we can write third term as A3 equal to 24. Now we can write sixth term as A6 equal to 192, and also we can write A3 as AR square equal to 24. Let me take this as equation 1, and we can write A6 as AR5 equal to 192. Let me take this as equation 2. So we can write A3 as AR square and A6 as AR to the power of 5. Now let me divide the equation 2 by equation 1. So let me divide equation 2 by equation 2. My equation 2 is here AR to the power of 5 equal to 192. So this is divided by the first equation, here AR square, and here it is 24. Now we can cancel A and A. Now here the base is R, here the base is R. So you can use this formula, A power of m by A power of n is A power of m minus n. So we can use that formula. So R to the power of this 5 minus 2 equal to 24 ones are 24 8s are 24 into 8 is 192. So let me take 8 there. Now let me simplify. R to the power of 5 minus 2 is 3 equal to 8. Now look at this LHS. In the LHS, our power is 3. Let me express this as power 3. So 8 you can take it as 2 into 2 into 2. That means you can write 2 cube. So R cube equal to, in the place of 8, I will take 2 cube. Let me take 2 cube. Now look at the LHS and RHS. In LHS and RHS, the powers are equal. Then we can say the base also equal. That means R equal to, here when the base powers are equal, so we can equate the powers. So since the powers are equal, we can say the value of R is 2. So here we got the value of R. Let me take this R and I'll substitute in equation 1. So what I'll do here, substitute R in equation 1. Our equation 1 is AR square equal to 24. Now A as it is into the value of R, already we know it is 2. So let me take 2 here. 2 square equal to 24. Now A into 2 square is 2 into 2, 4 equal to 24. A equal to 24. 4 is shifted to RHS. So we'll get by 4 there. 1s are 6 are A equal to 6. And also we know R value. R value equal to 2. So you know A value and R value. So my requirement is 10th term. So to find a particular term, we need nth term. So nth term formula is An equal to AR n minus 1. My requirement is 10th term. There is nothing but A10. A10 equal to, see now onwards the value of n is 10. So in the place of A, let me take 6 into, in the place of R, let me take 2 to the power of n. N is nothing but term number. Your term number is 10. 10 minus 1, 6 into 2 power of 10 minus 1 is 9. So 6 into 2 power of 9. 2 power of 9 is 512. 512. So 512 into 6. 6 2 is 12. 6 1 6 7 30. 30 72. So you'll get 30 72. So 30 72 nothing but 8 10. So our 10th term of GP equal to 3072. Let us do one more question similar to the previous question. In this question, it is given that fourth term of GP is 2 by 3 and the seventh term of GP is 16 by 81. We need to find the GP. So here, as per the question, fourth term is 2 by 3 and seventh term is 16 by 81. So we can write fourth term as A4 equal to 2 by 3 and seventh term as A7 equal to 16 by 81. So fourth term is A4 and seventh term is A7. And we can write fourth term A4 as AR3 equal to 2 by 3 and my seventh term we can write it as AR6 equal to 16 by 81. So let me take this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Now here we can take fourth term as AR3 and seventh term as AR to the power of 6. Let me divide equation 2 by equation 1. Our equation 2 is AR to the power of 6 equal to 16 by 81 and divide this with the first equation, that is nothing but AR cube, and here I will let me take 16 by 81. Now we can cancel A and A. Now R power we have here R power of 6 by R power of 3 equal to 16 by 81 divided, here it is 2 by 3. So here it is 2 by 3. Now so LHS we can write it as R to the power of 6 minus 3 equal to, now this fraction is shifted to numerator. Okay, so that then we'll get 16 by 81 into, when we shift 2 by 3 to the numerator, so we have to write reciprocal of that. So like that is nothing but 3 by 2. So here we get R power of 3 equal to 2 ones and 2 8s, 3 ones and 3 27. So we'll get 8 by 27. Now R cube equal to, now 8 can be written as 2 power of 3. So we can write 27 as 3 power of 3. Now look at the two powers. The two powers are the powers of numerator and denominator are same. So we can write it as 2 by 3 whole power of 3. Now the powers are equal here. Both the powers are equal. Then the base are equal. In a sense, R equal to, I'll get 2 by 3. When the powers are equal, we can say the base also equal. So R I got 2 by 3. So let me take R value and I'll substitute in equation 1. So here let me take R value and substitute in equation 1. Our equation 1 is AR to the power of 2 equal to 2 by 3. So A as it is to the power into R to the power of, what is R here? 2 by 3 to the power of 2 equal to 2 by 3. So A into 2 square is 4 by 3 square is 9 equal to 2 by 3. Now let us shift 4 by 9 that side. So A equal to 2 by 3. When a fraction is shifting from LHS to RHS, then you have to write reciprocal. Reciprocal in the sense 9 by 4. Reciprocal in the sense 4 by 9 by 4. So 2 1s are 2 2s are 3 1s are 3 3s are. The value of A is 3 by 2 and the value of R is 2 by 3. So my requirement is GP. Here my requirement is GP. So already we know that the series in GP is, the first term will be A, the second term will be AR, and the third term will be AR square and so on. The first term in GP is always, the first term will be A, second term will be AR and AR square and so on. Okay, now we know A value. Let us take A there, 3 by 2, and A into R. So 3 by 2 into the value of R is 2 by 3. The third term is 3 by 2 into R square means 2 by 3 whole square. Let me simplify. So the first term as it is. The second term we can cancel 1 the 1 the 1 the 1 the, I'll get 1. So 3 by 2 into 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. So 2 1 the, 2 2 the, 3 1 the, 3 3 the. Okay, so our first term is 3 by 2, second term is 1, third term is 2 by 3 and so on. So our GP is, the first term is 3, second term is 1, third term is 2 by 3 and so on. So it's enough to find first 3 terms if the question is find GP. In this question, it is given that x plus 2, x plus 3 are 3 consecutive terms in GP and we need to find the value of x. Given x plus 2, x plus 3 are 3 consecutive terms in GP. So therefore, in the GP, the common ratio is same. The how to find common ratio? R equal to, the formula is R equal to A2 by A1 or A3 by A2. So to find common ratio, either you can divide A2 by A1 or A3 by A2. The common ratio is same throughout the series in GP. Now here, this is A1, this is A2 and this is A3. So what is A2 here? X by 2. X by 2 by the value of A1 is X equal to X A3. A3 third term is X by X plus 6 divided by second term is X plus 2. Now let us go for cross multiplication. This into this, X into X plus 6 equal to this into this. So X plus 2 into X plus 2. So let me simplify. So X into X is X square plus X into 6 is 6X equal to first X into X, X square, X into 2 plus 2X, then next 2 into X, 2X, then next 2 into 2, 4. So here we have X square plus 6X equal to, now these two are like terms, so you can write like X square plus 4X plus 4. Now here X square, in the LHS X square and RHS square we can cancel. So we have here 6X equal to 4X plus 4. Now 4X is shifted to LHS. So 6X minus 4X equal to 4. So 6X minus 4X is 2X equal to 4. X equal to 4 by 2. 2 1 the 2 2 the value of X is 2. Okay, bachcho, pause the video and try to do this sum. And afterwards, after doing this sum, you verify your result with my answer. Hope you got the correct answer. Just verify your answer with my answer. Now in this question, it is given that x, x plus 3, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 6 are 3 consecutive terms in GP and we need to find the value of x. So given x, x plus 3, 2x plus 6 are 3 consecutive terms in GP. Now this is a first term, this is a second term and third term. In a GP, the common ratio is same. So let me write R equal to A2 by A1 or A3 by A2. So A2 is here x plus 3. So let me take x plus 3 divided by x equal to A3. A3 is 2x plus 6 divided by A2 is x plus 3. Now let us go for cross multiplication. So this into this. So x into will get 2x plus 6 equal to, now this term with this term, x plus 3 into x plus 3. Okay, let me simplify. So x into 2x is 2x square, x into 6 is 6x equal to, here let me simplify RHS. So x into x is x square and x into 3 is 3x and 3 into x is 3x and 3 into 3 is 9. Now 2x square plus 6x equal to x square, 3x plus 3x is 6x plus 9. Now here in the LHS we have plus 6x, in the RHS also we have plus 6x. So you can cancel. So here we have 2x square equal to x square plus 9. Now let us shift x square to this side. So 2x square minus x square equal to 9. X square nothing but you can take 1x square. 2x square minus 1x square is x square equal to 9. Now we need the value of x. So let me shift square to that side. So when I shift square, we'll take plus or minus root 9. So x equal to plus or minus square root of 9 is 3. So therefore x equal to 3 or minus 3. Hope you got the correct answer. In this question, given that the nth term of GP is 2 to the power of n minus 1, we need to find the sum of first three terms. So given nth term of GP is, as per the question, the nth term of GP is 2 to the power of n minus 1. So we can write nth term of GP as a to the power of an equal to 2 to the power of n minus 1. Now we need the first three terms. The first term is a1 and the second term is a2 and third term is a3. So here we need to find a1, a2, a3 using this nth term. So let me find first a1. So a1 nothing but the value of n is 1 now. So 2 to the power of, in the place of n, let me take 1. So 1 minus 1. So that means 2 to the power of 0. Anything power 0 is 1. So the first term is, here we got the first term is 1. Now let us go for second term. For second term, let me take a2. a2 equal to, the value of n is now 2. So 2 to the power of n. N value is 2 here. 2 minus 1. So 2 to the power of 2 minus 1 is 1. That is 2. So our second term is 2. Now we need to find third term. So third term is a3 equal to, now value of n is 3 here. So 2 to the power of, in the place of n, let me take 3. 3 minus 1. So 2 power of 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 square is 4. Here we got a3 as 4. My question is, find the sum of first three terms. So therefore, sum of three terms equal to first three terms equal to, our first term is 1 plus second term is 2 plus third term is 4. So 1 plus 2 plus 1, 4 is 7. Now just pause this video and try this question and write your answer in the comment section. So once you got your answer, verify with my answer. Here the nth term of GP is 2n to the 2n plus 1. So given nth term of GP is 2n plus 1. So we need the sum of first three terms. The first three terms are a1 and a2 and a3. So first let us find a1. So nth term we can write as an equal to 2n plus 1. Though let me find first a1. So a1 equal to, now the value of n is 1 here. So let me take, in the place of n, let me take 1. So 2 into 1 plus 1. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Our first term is here 3. Now let us find second term. For second term, let me take n value 2. For second term, the value of n is 2. So 2 into, in the place of n, let me take 2. 2 plus 1. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 1, that is 5. So our second term is 5. So let us find third term a3. a3 equal to, the value of n is now 3. So let me put n, in the place of n, let me put 3. So 2 into 3 plus 1. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Our third term is 7. Now my question is, I want the sum of first three terms. So sum of first three terms equal to, so here first term is a1, second term is a2 and third term is a3. So let us put the values. The a1 is 3 plus a2 is 5 plus a3 is 7. So 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 5, 15. So hope you all got the correct answer. So comment how many you got the correct answer. Just comment your answer.